we need to consider the both. So here now we have minus 181, minus 135, minus 90, and like that. So let's say you have a middle here and you have minus 90, minus 135, minus 180. You can still move here. Then the negative, let's say 1, 2, 3. So it will be perfect. 1, 2, 3. So let's put somewhere 1, 2, 3. So let's put somewhere. Put somewhere. Let the origin be here. Then on this side, the negative 1, 2, 3. So the origin should be here. Let the origin be here. First situation. So this is the second example. So this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. So let's say we have, so the theta should be on the horizontal axis. So you have, let's say this is your 90, automatically this will be your 180. This is your 90. This is your 90. This is your 135. We have 45 degree interval. So 90, 135 degrees. Then this is 180 degrees. Then this will be, let's put it like this for convenience. Let's put it like this for convenience. 45 degrees, and this will be my 90 degrees. This will be my 135 degrees. This will be my 180 degrees. Then on this side I have, this is your zero origin. This is your minus 45 degrees. This is my minus 90 degrees. This is my minus 135 degrees, and this is my minus 180 degrees. So that's what I have. Then now on this, let's say this is my 1, this is my 2, this is my 3, this is my 4. And let's say this one is my minus 1, this is my minus 2, this is my minus 3, and this is my minus 4. Okay, so we can draw from this, we can draw our scale. So we have 2 centimeters to represent 45 degrees on x-axis. Then we have 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on y-axis. So that's our scale. And now we start to plot now. When minus 180, you have corresponding minus 3. Minus 180 corresponding minus 3. So it should be somewhere here. Stuff should be somewhere here. Then we have minus 135. The corresponding is minus 3.53. Minus 35 minus 3, 1. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So automatically you have 3.1, 3.2, no, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.5. So it should be somewhere here. This is somewhere here. This is somewhere here. somewhere here. Then minus 90 minus 2. Minus 90 minus 2, so it's somewhere here. Minus 90 minus 2, so it's somewhere here. Then we'll have minus 45. Minus 45, we have 0 point. Minus 45, 0.7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's somewhere here. Somewhere a bit here. Then we have 0 against 3. 0 against 3. So it should be somewhere here. 0 against 3 somewhere here. Then we have 45 against 3.53. 45 against 3 point. So this 3.5 is somewhere here. Somewhere here. Then we have 90 against 2. 90 against 2. So 90 against 2 is here. Then we have 135 against minus 0.71. 135 against minus 5, 6, 7, somewhere here. Then 180 against minus 3. 183 against minus 3, so somewhere here. You can join this by freehand. So somewhere like this. Coming at this point to make this here. And it will go straight like this. It has to go straight like this. Go straight like this from here. Then go straight like that, and meet this point and this, to meet this here, then it will go like this. So it's a curve that passes here. Pass through this point, then to join this, to make it more accurate, one can use like a broom. So that's the pattern. Then we have this, joining the curve, and you have this. So this is just the presentation. So you have a scenario like this. So this is the graph of that. So some questions are now drawn under that, like what you have. You are asked to find from your graph you are asked to find from your graph. You are asked to obtain the roots. You are asked to, the first question is obtain the roots. You are asked to obtain the roots, and that the root is obtained when your y is equal to 2.3. You obtain the root at the point where your y is equal to 2.3. You are asked to obtain the root at the point where your y is equal to 2.3. The question will be given. I'm only using this. I'm only trying to give you a clue on how to go about it. So if you have to obtain the root at a point where your y equals to 2.3, so what you need to do here is you go there and draw a parallel line that will cut the curve at 2 points, and you trace it to the corresponding horizontal axis. That's that. So where do you have your, when it is 2.3, so it should be somewhere here. These are 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So this is where you are going to draw the broken line such that it cuts the point at 2.3. So you draw it here. Then you have your broken line. So at this point, you trace it down. Very, very accurate. Very, very accurate at this point. So, at this point, you have 82 degrees. You have 82 degrees at this point. So you have a positive, the roots here, you have where your y equals to 2.3, then you have it to be equals to the root of that equation at this point is 82 degrees here. Then at this point, trace it again, because we are looking for the roots. So you have, pay attention to that. Where it cuts it, you trace it to the to the horizontal axis. That's our interest here. At this point, you have 10